आई मरु हेमचंद्र न पन की बदो गवर्नमेंट हाउ से अखोई के मपा मपीनी चही द मोहि नहा होई बजाय they are being supported by अखोई की dozen of bureaucrats and advisor mayam lady government ki advocate general so and so everything lady bani this is simply a sheer negligence tawroine tawda bani negligence natte let me come to the point government tawroine tawda bani sai hemchandra sahab na panbi gi do asuk chawruba issues ga hanna sinna to masi hen ma kari thoki dori gya ba nasai gi Mr. Colin haribinu pa se he is a diehard of this the Mathias ukil mo in the Supreme Court ta mark say sumhaina but the crowd funded my matik 20-30 crore it is his business professional I have nothing to say mase tori punma se mana thangalu punma se even Supreme Court ta thangatpat hoi tanjadasu even Solicitor General mana bhausu Supreme Court ta man ngang rima nang na thangali points me amat madu oidabu ngakta ni na you don't try to waste time hide masigi justice mamang deni adu bhausu mang da haigi ne mang na hairi be se nongpok tagi numit thokte nongchup tagi numit thoi haibani haiba Supreme Court ta 2-3 times mang da chei bani e tawna nang adu ban don't waste time haina you come to the point so haina bani Madam the amount of paisa 20, 30, 40, 50 crore more pinning with the PV, it is their business. Even there was a news, Chumbi Chumde, Kanana Lali, Lande Kangde, Manipur, the Bokanau, Singachi, narco terrorist groups in Chin and crowd funded Tauna, even army Kasulagris Uredana. Even Kari Sima Mustafa, I know come to the Sima Guho say Mustafa the Mama Impalo, Pandiru Kangde, Maki EGI Oidal Lamba, Hajita Musin Gramare. Though the Moika is a crowd funded the Tauraga, this dangerous community sinam. Nasaki cleansing of metis from Manipur, that too. Kanana Tauduri, Kanana Tauri, this narco terrorist people, Ati country the labor jatadra, Lagas a Bikari, the Uno Laden Lairaga, Moina Kui Chatokin Tantori in the Tori Base. I say government of Manipur, Kanga Tobi Sekarigino. Yes. Madun Nasai Tori Base, Supreme Court is a they stand till now. Anirak Heidi, let us the su when you meet trouble, Union of Tharuba, Mudigi, the reply was a Pirkan Lai. Our Mazi ethnology government now with the proper forms that Tora Kotamasi Matagat Piru. Haidana, Mamai do a reference to the Pire. Otirikanano to Vidrisha. A quick government to the money. Haji government to Toroi, I touch Bugumli. Kadima Lala, they even up with Tobiri, sir, Nakung Pai Jabayam to Lachagain, no in Anakta. No in the Tobiri in Harris Land Grayana. Madam Dinokoi, and the Toival Lansky, and a Chobal Land Tangaroy. So you'll have to do it, not request. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee and Mete Tribal Union. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, the Mete Tribal Union, you have worked out. Why? In our time, it was never happened. 1,25,000 me, Mayam Purga, Akoi Mam government, we have flexed our muscle. We want this, I know 1,25,000. Nasi Noi Muchetari, MTU, so I give brother Natani. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee member, no, so I give brother Natani. All of you, we worked together for years together. Adunoi ani the Mari Toko Dorija law. Aduni Sako Shoiri say. Me ani Tinabuja Daba. Adiki MTU Tode, a Scheduled Demand Committee, among opposed to Gudra. Adigamo Scheduled Demand Committee Tode, among MTU Gudra. No, this is absolutely wrong. No group money, no Tashan number, no one of you. For us, that there should be only one. Akoi Ashon Punamok, Akoi Ashoiba Punamag say, Loina, Akoi NTU Jengiba, this narco terrorist group, Mapandagila Iba. Not 1840 or 1841, the Lama Churachan Maharaj, Namana Thamamba, Adugi, my grandchildren, children, they are Manipur citizen. Not all Kuki, Chin, Mizo, they are terrorists, not they. We are talking about this Saigi aggression Tauriba. Within our country, the Mapandagi Laga, Makui Chaunu Joga, Lin Kanga the Loinerga, the Linduru of Ungalak Akui Asgar Kaina Kui, Lainduru Kui Jolak Panita Rese. Adu Manipur Langaksu, Masichumichin to Nupatokota Manipur government. We don't want to talk too much, Masimatanga. Talk the Shunga Yade government, the opposition, no shit Brahmajam Shanaganu. In Hydro Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, no the carrier Tauri Punam say the Tosanabangakani. Meti something Yawnam to one to hang did Handi Shashanda. Hang didna. Then Nuni Chalu Mayam Digi Madir Karizal Porage. Government of India no is a Tauri Kuladi. Yes. Masipunamus Sanari say, Nashi the media has become so immense important. Mainland media's Punamak Mohina Akwisibu anti-Indian Olale. So we are anti-Indian. We don't trust the national mainland medias. There is a rise of reasonable apprehension. Na koi se crowd funded ki tamak ta paisa mayam no na chorus taram no lay benina like the EGI mabho. How is it all lies? And lastly, then even the Shiva Chandrachud, Chief Justice, he also said, if every media some mistake what they have uttered or they committed, if I go and punishing, then it may not be proper. Then she was set free. I have no reason to discuss or deliberate about the Supreme Court. But whatever the Chief Justice of India, he said, and it was highlighted in the paper. So my humble appeal to the government of India, I am an anti-Indian because national media does not highlight facts and the figure. National medias all have clubbed together, probably crowd-funded the Gitauraga, low in a later Tamravanina, a Koigina Manipur, the Manung, the Kongman, the Kandava Jiba Koi, Pepper Sea Karaga, Taramukunam Ponga Loire, a Koi Pepper City Shilong Tabi de. Even North Iski Labor, North Iski Labor TV channel before Indian highlight to be there. There are thousands there. Mayam, lakhs the lady put a most of the career probably eager the gay. We are being made to be non-Indian. So definitely we are non-Indian now. We are anti-Indian, they have made it. So we are anti-Indian. We thought that India is the safest place, then we will work together. So they merged it. But now your behavior is India ki media is in a product control to even up to American Baptist Council, you have approached it. Even the European member of Parliament, the Miss Bruce Fiona, one of the most trusted envoy of Rishi Sunak, UK Prime Minister ki, masing mo matter the kasa phajna jeng jeng religion matang the tribalism matang the to hatred matang jeng the cook the man among the envoy among the responsible people. She even said that Manipuris have massacred the Christian tribals. How lady you said, how ridiculous. You are a member of Parliament of the United Kingdom. You have ridiculously you stated this and you try to change the fact. Because crowd-funded people, they came there, they have already made it and they try to maneuver, they have given a wrong narrative. Even the delegates only 2 minutes speak. Chin cookie terrorists ki mui delegates lakpatan 15 minutes speak. You know, no, you have given 15 minutes to them and you are giving only 2 minutes. This is the attitude even the member, even the UN or even the other religious issues and other in the foreign countries. Manipur the Puncha Chara Pungle Lerga Siga, Karamani Thauran name Naki Punamakaji, Pam Chocho Pai, Mayam Loin, and not ministers. So many directors, so many chief engineers, so many police officers, so Gamigo Leshal Loro, Leshal Lagane, Hayano Shiram de Tanjanoi Puya Roido, Madi Papton Matak Noya Mukapano Hilayani.
Where the article, one of the very popular article, however, articles in the maintain SD demand gi matang sida mamang that for 2 times. One in 1982 aduga amana 2001 the ani reject okay have go from the but the 1982 the Register General of India the Home Ministry the gi lakpa request ama maitai se ST list inclusion tawna gi damakta lakpa request ama the Register General of India na gi maitai community does not appear to possess the tribal characteristic and it was not in favor of inclusion having a wapam amaka sidapalle adu sigi natabada yam interesting oiriba aida pabung da lakchani questions ina ani shubasina 2001 da 2001 da lakivasi Minister of Social Justice dagi maitai si social ST list changadra having wapam silakpa matam da when the Ministry of Social Justice na Manipur government gi recommendation seek tawki seek tawu matam sida the then Chief Minister of Manipur 𝗣𝗢𝗧𝗦𝗛𝗏 mamangi 1982 the Registrar General of India gi opinion sida ikoi accept tawi haira kanda masi reject tawki kari habi ngi matang sida
jengbiu any the India is a pak chow raba millions haide billion jogre millions ke billion jogre haiti asok chow group countries siga mi kaya north block south block sasti bhavan that bhavan this bhavan kaya mi kaya challaga yengude 142 hajikti matam du 130 ki kanuka ki crore gumalerm gani hetta chema thagraga aina government of India da habisa Bharat Mahasagar Indian Ocean ni akudi turi namu chentaba machani khone pun bane khone even Bay of Bengal ka tanan ro baina si cheli bu turin ka se pikr bane ada Assam da jogudur ga Lakhipur jiri ga jor khadang chaw ba jiri chiri batri mayam pullaga bara khal chaw jo bai wani chaw group pak countries ga akoina challaga chem eta thagraga eta government of India na tobi gani haibu wala itne there is a caucus, there is a lobby, there is a push, there is a pull. Asi angak pa the north block, south block, angak pa ni north block changi, south block changi, hai to permit lo no, the mangani changi, talani changi. What is the reason why you want to make so many problem labor? Manipur government hurriedly, without much any satisfactory recommendations, put forward. Does it mean that India government will do it? Never ever. Other me, member of parliament, or bureaucrats, resident commissioner Gumalaiba, or chief minister, time and again Chatra Masagi personal interest, say Mr. Laldoma, Mizoram chief minister. He is in 1977, he is in Indian police service. Okay, external affairs minister is Jaishankar, Mokoi basically. Moine hek election na makab matamda mahana prime minister gi ma joint commissioner of police or me. Ako matam de leave to ako ne joint director IB na puram ni prime minister ki duty security mayam sa base ko mane khudak ta moi telephone ni phone ko congratulation to na khotan le hybrid thadi moko idin net ama phajana ako gi pura ako gi mirang gi net ama le gire ba moi gi mi se kayam jam ge have each and every department the moko mi se ani le ohum le mari le PO modi horaga home minister di horaga every department pulamak siga moko umbrella ma le yaba all India ki scheduled tribe and scheduled caste ki moi gi mokui chairman or president all India mase hek hobut amar tobut moi mayam le pula all India loina say Mr. Atwale he may be another minister of this atete lay recall very powerful akoi ki interest laitaba government 2001 just for the sake of forwarding it without giving much due importance, without giving the satisfactory, plausible writing, convincing of the points, fact, and people. He not to have nate. Achumba saruk the history, ma pajani irga thag raga. Madi matung the follow-up action. You chase that file. Day and night, maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. You chase the file from one table to another table. Lobby to gudamni akui supported, led by the MP and the minister. Haji akui ki R.K. Ranjan, External Affairs Minister lady, my education is paidi, my External Affairs is oiri. This is the best opportunity. He could have done, they could have done. He is a minister for Assam or for Kuki, we do not know. But we consider that he is a minister for Manipur. And no, he belongs to Manipur. He is a minister for the entire India. Asi matang na makpo lelingi tanjada, mana mating tobiba, mana khara koi haibi kopi to baisa. Haji matam na tahud na R.K. Ranjan kar matam na matahud. Haji election laksale. Aduna 1982 da ihibado without much rhyme and reason. Hata that's forward to kolle karim ta modi matang dari kan January ba khonna riba togunu kokunu iganu haidana tawde jarapudi government of India tha dia doi tha ki bani 2001 da khara khara ihu ma hogale atus akoi mina suppress to ba akoi mina netha ba ngasai I'm higher caste upper caste super caste idu wangru puni ne is noti jar machani ne hai hain haiba phamma mata phane ma hana higher caste hana akoi phaman da bijate lower caste akoi na asan caste in what way we are lower, in what way you are higher? You all people, we are asking you, no no ko hatok pa natala miti na ko libham lektan to no no ko hatok pa niya ba ati shagi na natya 2001 the period abruptly written to ya the way thagre ko ke chalo bhai let me wash my hand another headache hojik ta du yaru re ba hojik ti every line every words the with the ethnology the with the with the achumba saru ko what we were till 1949 and what we want and what are the reasons say masi punamak ase phajana matik chan pudun very convincing reason the thag the bani haba haji su matam lady high court na haripul direction do ki hemchandra sahab na I fully endorse it koi ne khali bina high court na masi yaad de masi government ne masi thaba yaro government na terdi masi government na hani de koi kathat kare pura natti hai but there is a close sai gido thaba jari hai haji bo kari government na see does not forward it machine still time with any section of the people you have no moral right to disturb us na koi gi pukham degi chak leiri punamak ichina punamak na koi pukham gi chak to khune munge natte noi de chin kuki jogi moi gi chab phang moi de lakpani sida koi ipai pugi 12,000 years the mite gi pori de horaga manipur to khun lerak pas akoi gi ming da koi leminarak pani particularly the Tangkhul community I salute you na koi elder brother koi father matam diki loin no koi lamina bani you know everything aduna kanam ta mase to bi bisu jade to bi ganu na koi apavasaruk ta na koi amat natro why you distinct why you try to separate the tribal location housing oh tamdel bamite you are forward or we are backward who says that we are forward ko di bika nincha lere backward no the multi story building sha lere purna himminasi let us live together okay what the government it depends on the government now it is now we all people we should decide kari to si ke hai
okay